Hi, and welcome to Netsweeper's 2-Minute Tips. I'm Allison Bussey, and today I'm going to show you how to make a custom report. Once you've logged into the WebAdmin, to access custom reports, click on Reports in the side menu, and then select Custom Report from the dropdown. Here is where you'll be able to create a complete report from just one window. Custom reports have 4 sections: report information, filters, report output, and delivery options. Today, I'm going to focus on the first 3 sections to show you how to create and run a report. Let's start with report information. Let's say I'd like to create a demand report for clients that are requesting sites designated as gambling. I'm going to enter a report name. You can enter an optional description, and I'm going to leave the owner as myself. Now we need to select a report type. There are 3 types of reports. Demand reports, which are run once and are usually used to run searches or one-time reports. There are scheduled reports, which are similar to demand reports but are run periodically. These reports are usually used to process weekly or monthly summary reports. And finally, there's continuous reports. These are also run regularly, like scheduled reports, but the data is compiled cumulatively into one report. As I mentioned, I'm creating a demand report. Next, click Add Filter. This is where you can add 1 or more filters for your report. These are optional and allow you to further customize the data of the report by restricting data to what matches your selected filter. I'm going to select all categories for my field. And then for categories, I'm going to select gambling. Click Save. The filter information that's been selected will display in your filter section. The report output section is next. This is where the content displayed in the report will be determined. There must be at least one output option added to the report. I'm going to add a summary group. This will allow me to group related data together and show the results for each grouping. I'm going to choose to sort by client name, and then we'll add the fields we want to group by. In this case, I'm going to select request count. We have one more selection to determine, and that's presentation. So I'm going to click on Add Presentation. In this window, you will have a few options of how you'd like the information displayed. I'm going to select Table, and I'm going to leave the remaining default options as is. Click Save. We're going to click Save one more time for the Add Summary group, and your report is ready. Click Create Report at the bottom of your page. The new report is displayed, and from here you can edit, clone, or rerun your report. Thank you for watching Netsweeper's 2-Minute Tips. See you next time.